Okay, so while I wait, oh my god, I hate when I say okay. So, but yeah, while we wait for some paperwork to process, I was told this pizza store is pretty good, so we're gonna try it. All right. So it starts off as a food vlog, then it'll go into a gun vlog. Actually, it's pretty good. The sauce is a little sweet. It's good. I like that. It's crispy, but not dry. It actually is pretty good pizza. Okay, so this is what I got, because per usual, I'm literally the worst vlogger ever, and I forgot to record. So what this is a Ruger it's a Ruger 1022, so it's a 22 long range rifle. It has a kit on it called the Archangel Nomad, I believe is what it's called. It's a pretty cool thing. Of course, since it's Massachusetts, we don't get the fun stuff. So we can only get 10 round mags. So this is the magazine, and then this is like the dress up for the magazine, and it also does something cool, which is this. Hold on, give me one second. This. I literally just took it off. Hold on. Okay, so this. So now it's like a slim banana clip looking thing. It's just like a little dress up kit. Then you slide this back on, and boom. Yeah, it's a cool gun. I'm gonna try and get out to the range on Saturday. Today's Thursday. It's Thursday evening. Gonna try to get out to the range and shoot that, and I'm gonna see if my mechanic can come and see if a couple other people could come, and we'll have a ball. So yeah, let's get into the stuff that you guys actually want to see. Per usual, worst vlogger ever. Started the Dakar, put a new battery in. The bags aren't turning on, but I don't know why, but I guess I'll just have to see. Whew, man. I had a hoodie on, so I'm kind of hot and winded, but yeah, we're gonna get the bags on and then continue from there. So you can hear it's taking a misfire, which is typical for e36s and stuff, M50s or whatever that's been sitting. Let me see. So you can hear there's a misfire. But the burble still works. So, well, I'm not sure if that's a misfire or if that's just the exhaust. I don't remember how the car sounds, but yeah, it's blowing a lot of smoke. Golly. But so yeah, it started for now. The tanks are filling up. I guess I could air the car up now. Let me set the camera somewhere and do that. definitely been a while since I've seen this. The car is up at ride height. There is a leak somewhere. Not sure what it is, but yeah. Starting to clear up a bit. But yeah, it's probably just old gas, cars and things. So yeah, you can see there's some stuff under. Right there. Not too sure what it is, but we'll figure that out. Yeah. I really love this car. I'm sure I'm not getting rid of it. Yeah, so I guess you just gotta, well, I guess I just gotta grind harder and make it so I don't have to sell it. Okay, and for the new people, I'll show you guys the verbal tune that I did right quick before I head out. So there you go, people. Now you've seen it, because a lot of people have not seen this car yet.